Hey there, it's Taylor with TenantCloud, and today I will be showing you how to message a tenant about a maintenance request within TenantCloud. First, click Work Order from the far left menu. Next, click View on the maintenance request. Click the Messages tab on the top of the screen. Both the landlord and the tenant will receive a notification when a message is sent within the maintenance request. At the same time, you will also receive a notification once one of the connected users messages within the maintenance request. If you need to add attachments to the message, you can do so by clicking the TenantCloud logo on the message and upload your document here. And that's how easy it is to message a tenant about a maintenance request within TenantCloud. To start managing your maintenance requests and invoices for free with simplicity and ease, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.